Which Japanese city is famous for its imperial palace? Tokyo. Who painted The Last Supper? Leonardo da Vinci. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. Who was U.S. president during most of World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. What gas do plants need to make food? Carbon dioxide. Which river flows through northeastern Africa and is very long? Nile River. How many days does February have in a leap year? "29 days." Who wrote the play Hamlet? William Shakespeare. What do we call the liquid we drink every day? Water. Which tiny country is located inside Rome? Vatican City. Which language do most people speak in Brazil? Portuguese. Who saw an apple fall and thought about gravity? Isaac Newton. What number multiplied by itself gives 144? 12. Which big cat is called the king of animals? Lion. Who is known as the king of pop? Michael Jackson. Which animal can run the fastest on land? Cheetah. How many continents are on Earth? Seven. Which country is famous for ancient pyramids? Egypt. Which gemstone is known for being extremely hard? Diamond. Who said that's one small step for man? Neil Armstrong. Which ocean covers the most area on Earth? Pacific Ocean. How many hours make one full day-night cycle? 24 hours. Who painted sunflowers? Vincent van Gogh. Which organ keeps blood moving in your body? Heart. Which European country is known for pasta and pizza? Italy. Which fruit is mashed to make guacamole? Avocado. How many sides does a shape with 5 corners have? 5.
Who created the wizard character Harry Potter?
J.K. Rowling. Which flower blooms beautifully in Japan during spring? Cherry blossom.
Which element stays liquid even when not heated?
Mercury.
What currency do people use in the UK?
Pound sterling. Which planet appears red? Mars.
Who designed the first mechanical computer?
Charles Babbage.
Which sea animal is the biggest in the world?
Blue whale.
Which sport hits a shuttlecock over a net?
Badminton.
Who was known as the Iron Lady?
Margaret Thatcher.
How many bones does a typical adult body have?
206.
What sweet food do bees make?
Honey.
Who wrote The Lord of the Rings?
J.R.R. Tolkien.
Which city is the political center of Canada?
Ottawa.
What is a triangle with equal sides called?
Equilateral triangle.
Which inventor created the first telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Which mountain is the highest above sea level?
Mount Everest.
Which country has the monument Taj Mahal?
India.
Which symbol represents gold on the periodic table?
AU.
How many strings does a regular guitar use?
Six.
Who acted as Tony Stark in the Iron Man films?
Robert Downey Jr.
At what Celsius temperature does water turn into ice?
0 degrees.
What science studies plants, animals, and life?
Biology.
Which ingredient gives bread its soft texture?
Flour. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.